guys and girls, I hope you all are doing great amidst this pandemic and keeping yourself and your family safe. First things first, this video is also gonna be an SFX video, and I personally feel I can spend this whole month doing SFX because I am currently loving the process of it. I am in love with the body paints, and I am currently like feeling to do a lot of more experiments because that's how you can generate creativity, and looking forward to this particular month creating a lot of SFX videos for you people. So come on, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so before I begin, let me tell you this time I'm done with my full face, like my foundation, concealer, contouring, setting powder, lipstick and brows too done. The only thing is not done are my eyes. I'm going to do that, and yes, come on, let's do this. Okay, so this is going to be an easy SFX, and yes, I know I might be going a little bit back, like I'm like walking a little bit slow, but there's nothing wrong in that because we are all stuck at home, and yes, what can we do now? So I'll be doing today the pore SFX. Like, you've seen a lot of things on Instagram and Pinterest that, you know, you just hold certain bottle or container over here and the SFX is done. Like, it seems like that something is pouring and your face is just like a vase or a vessel to hold that particular liquid, so we'll be giving a liquid effect. So it's probably a flow face SFX. I don't know what it's actually say, but that's how it is. So okay, let's do this. For this, I'll be using a body paint, and this is from 12 Colors Face and Body Paint. Link is there in the description box below from where I've purchased it. And I'll be using the white color first, and this is the brush which came along with the palette. And come on, let's do this. Like I have a lot of in the vase. I'll be doing the pour from this and this, yeah. Okay, and one thing, you can take any colors. There is no restriction that you have to do with blue, green, red, any color of your choice. Okay, so this is one, and like that you just fill in. So basically this is like going to be like this, and yep, I'll be now giving the effects gradually. I'll be using a white face paint for this. The purplish, like, you know, a bubble, followed by splashes here and there. And the one thing you need to do now is that hold a small container or anything and just pretend that you're pouring something and it's just flowing here, this side, and that's how it is. Now the only thing I need to do on my eyes, I am done with my makeup, and I'll be going with simple makeup, nothing big and all, and that's it. Come on, let's do this. So this is the final look. I really loved it how it come out, and I'm sure you did the thing too. And yes, if you did that, thank you so much from my side. Please do support me, show your support by subscribing to my channel. Please like this video and share it among everybody. And yes, we'll be meeting you guys in the next video. Oh my god, I'm just moving away. We'll be meeting you guys next Thursday. Till then, stay good, stay fit.